Hello friends, this is Rami from Rami's Life. And today I'm actually kind of like piggybacking from my last video of my budget and paper with my Erin Condren petty planner. What I'm doing today, I'm just doing the Excel part, which I break down from paycheck to paycheck what I need to pay. So I know it's easier. I mean, I like the Erin content. I like to put it on paper. I can see what I have going on when I'm on the go. I don't always have the access to look at my budget on Excel. So seeing it in Excel is actually better for me because I can see it broke down by paycheck and I can add or take away whatever I need to. So let's go ahead and get it started, my friends. So today I'm starting right here what I was due for Friday. This normally is due between the last 2 days of the month to the first week or second week of the month. So I have to make sure that with my first paycheck, I pay whatever it needs to be paid within that 3-week period. My power bill was due on the 5th, I believe, or the 7th. So it was due by $99, but I paid $31.95 to the bill. And I will pay the rest of the power bill in the second paycheck of the month. I also have to pay for my youngest son's after school program. This is not going to start until the end of July. However, I wanted to get ahead because sometimes things happen. I don't want to feel like I'm pressured to make this payment for his program. So I paid my $50.25 for my furniture. This is a furniture. It's an old bill. I need to take care of it because that way I can become debt free, of course. It's $100 per pay period for now. That hasn't come out from my account yet. It will be coming out sometime between Monday or Tuesday. I also have my Citizen Gas. That's the name of the company that handles these. The bill actually is very different for what I was. Okay, I got the bill and the bill say $103.87. But when I looked at this bill online, it shows $203.87. I don't know why. I don't know. They do what they want. So I just pay $103.87. The bill is not due until the end of July, but I got that out of the way, at least. So it's $100 left in between. So I just add it up and figure it out for the next pay period. On July 5th, we have, I also pay for my Toyota. I had $200 in mind to pay, but life happens, so I pay only $175. Also, I pay $10 towards my medical bills. These are all bills that are in collection. For my cash hygiene sinking fund, I didn't get anything out because I ended up at the end of the month. I know a lady that she actually do couponing, and you can get things from her. And she ended up giving me some hygiene items for like $5. Like you get like all the hygiene items that you need for $10. So I ended up going with her, so I didn't have to get any money out for that. And also, I have get some money for laundry. $30 ended up being too much, and so I just took 20 out. This is my giving right here for my religion. Is let me see. I got $5. And also I have to pay for my AT&T. Initially, it was $201, and I'm gonna say $201 even, and then I got the bill and ended up being $185.64. So altogether, this right here ended up being $656.71, which I had some leftover from the previous month. There was $16.24. So altogether was I have $107.53. I'm not gonna carry over much. I want to carry over $6 because I went and go ahead and bought some groceries, which it was $60. Well, it was the $100. I only have $6 left from that. So that's what I did with that. I got some groceries from that, but it was left over from these. So I have to add this right here. I believe it's $6.98 if I got this correctly. I probably can go back and check and make sure, but that's how much roughly, because I haven't done the second part of for my second check. So this is what I have so far. That's what I have so far. And okay, so right here I'm supposed to be buying for my kids sinking fund 3 pair of pants. I haven't made it to Walmart. I don't really feel like going to Walmart right now, to be honest. I'll probably do that next week, but I do have the money. It's from their sinking fund. And I also have a backpack that my older son wanted for school, so I have it right here. It's already been paid, so I have it right here. So these are the bills that are coming up for the second part of the month. And I'm not going to go over details with this. This probably gonna have to get tweaked a little bit and add or change some things. We'll see time if how throughout the month everything develops. But this is what I have so far. Let's see right here. Okay, so just to be on the safe side and not don't change, and I can give you the right amount of how much I spend in groceries. This normally will last me 3 weeks. Okay, so let's see right here how much it's gonna be, just to be on the safe side. Oops. Okay, 101.15. So we're just gonna add it in here just to be on the safe side, and I don't have, that way I know what it's about. 101.15. Okay, so remember that I have a formula here. Sorry, I have a formula here that is pulled from everything, so I just have to add that right there. So it's D13 minus D13. So with this formula, we'll pull exactly how much I'm gonna have left in my bank account, which is $6.38. And I'm gonna be adding that right here. And that's it. Once what I have in my account is just the money to cover for the bills that haven't come out yet, and that's how much I'm gonna have left. I normally add, and this is just for my own knowledge, my confirmation numbers right here, that I know just in case anything happened that they say they don't have the payment. I have those confirmation numbers to go back to. I hope this has been beneficial for y'all, and you guys, please like this video, give it thumbs up, and please subscribe. I will be adding also this. I just started a new blog. I will be adding this information to my new blog that it can be available for others. I'm working into providing more clear finances. At the end of the day, I'm loosely following Dave Ramsey, and I'm hoping to become debt free. I do not have a set day when to become debt free. I'm just focusing on one debt at the time, and this is what is helping me so far. I have my little thing right here, my little handy dandy item. So right here is how much I'm going, my financial progress. If you see that this is all I have right here, this is not all I have paid towards this balance. It's just that I add the amount of how much goes towards principal, not towards principal and interest, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is what we are paying for right now, and how much is left and whatnot. So yeah, I'm hoping to be debt free soon, hopefully. So we'll see what's gonna happen with that. So yeah, this is what I track my progress. This is what the payoff dates that I have right here. This is actually, no, this right here is when that will be paid off. I haven't even put my Sprint cell phones in there, to be honest, because that's gonna be paid off in October regardless, so I'm not worried about it. So yep, this is how I track in that, and I just add in there everything that I've been paying off, and once it's paid off, I'm just gonna like highlight a green or whatever. But you guys have to keep in mind that I am the sole provider for my children, and also I have to take care of also I have to I can't afford to have a second job. I have 2 kids, and they need me present. So at the moment I only have one job, and this is what we're working on. So my progress is a little slower than somebody that's making six figures, or somebody that have a second income to help them to be able to achieve these financial goals. So please guys, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and please feel free to share this with your friends and relatives. And also, if you have questions or concerns or just tips on how I should improve my budget, please feel free to provide all that information in the description box below. Thank you, and I hope everybody have a good rest of your week. Goodbye.